Imagine a world where the Earth weeps, not from atmospheric condensation, but from the wounds inflicted by the beast. Picture our home, once a verdant sphere teeming with life, now a desolate globe, marred by the scars of nuclear fire. The beast, an entity of our own creation, has turned our green oasis into an inhospitable wasteland. The fallout from this catastrophe has triggered an ecological crisis of unprecedented scale. Our once clear skies, now shrouded in a nuclear winter, cast an eternal twilight upon the barren landscapes. The air, which used to carry the melody of life, now whistles the dirge of extinction. Oceans, once brimming with life, are now silent, their depths filled with nothing but the echoes of the past. From the low Earth orbit satellite space station, Dr. Zimmerman watches the dying planet, once a jewel in the cosmos. A testament to our hubris, Earth laments its fate, its cries echoing through the silent void of space. Where there is destruction, there is also the potential for renewal. Dr. Zimmerman, a man of science and faith, holds such hope. Meet Dr. Zimmerman, a visionary whose faith and scientific prowess intertwine to form the heart of a grand plan. He believes, despite the Earth's ruin, in the possibility of its restoration. His strategy, a swarm of nanoscopic robots, each smaller than a speck of dust, yet collectively powerful enough to repair a world. Imagine these minuscule machines, working tirelessly to neutralize the lingering radiation, to cleanse the soil of its toxic elements, and to breathe life back into the ashen ground. Their mission doesn't stop there. They will also work to revive the flora and fauna, resurrecting the world's lost biodiversity, one seed and one creature at a time. As these tiny saviors descend to Earth, the first step towards a new heaven and Earth takes place. The fight for Earth's restoration is not without its challenges. It's a battle, a war waged by microscopic warriors. As our nanoscopic soldiers descend to the ravaged Earth, they face an environment hostile in ways beyond human comprehension. The nuclear winter, a chilling reminder of the beast's destruction, poses a formidable adversary. These tiny heroes, designed by the brilliant Dr. Zimmerman, are tasked with the mission of neutralizing radiation hotspots. Initial victories, though small, are monumental. They begin to clear patches of land once thought irreparable, bringing life back from the brink. Yet for every hotspot neutralized, 1,000 more remain, each a testament to the vast devastation that has befallen our home. The struggles they face are immense, the stakes higher than ever. With each passing moment, the drum taps of war intensify, echoing the relentless fight these nanobots wage against the nuclear winter. Every battle has its casualties, but in this war, every victory brings us one step closer to a restored Earth. From the ashes of destruction, a new dawn rises, a new era begins. The nanobots, those microscopic architects of salvation, tirelessly work their magic. Their task is Herculean, but they do not falter. They work with a single-minded purpose, a unity of thought and action that is awe-inspiring. They toil in silence, but the echoes of their labor reverberate throughout the cosmos. The first signs of life are humble, inconspicuous. A sprout peeks out from the barren soil, stretching towards the sun, a beacon of hope in a world of desolation. It's a symbol of resilience, a testament to the indomitable spirit of life. Soon the sprouts multiply, their verdant green color painting a stark contrast against the gray wasteland. And then come the animals. From the tiny insects to the majestic beasts, life returns in all its varied forms. The Earth once again hums with the rhythm of life, a symphony of existence, each creature playing its part in harmony. The atmosphere, once a toxic haze, begins to clear. The nanobots tirelessly scrub the air, molecule by molecule, until the skies turn from a sickly green to a clear, serene blue. The sunlight filters through, bathing the Earth in its warm, life-giving glow. The Earth begins to warm, not with the harshness of nuclear fire, but with the gentle caress of the sun. The music swells in the background, a hopeful, uplifting tune that echoes the resilience and triumph of life. It's a melody of rebirth, a song of renewal that resonates with the heartbeat of a planet on the mend. Dr. Zimmerman watches from his orbiting station as the Earth, once a desolate sphere, blossoms into a vibrant planet once more. Our home, reborn. His heart swells with pride and relief. He watches as the Earth, like a phoenix, rises from its ashes, reborn, rejuvenated, ready to start afresh. He sees a new dawn, a new beginning, a new chance at life. It's a sight to behold, a testament to the indomitable spirit of life. Our home, reborn,